Now the farmers market happens every week, right, Tucker?
Yeah, every Wednesday you can go check it out. You probably have missed it for this week. It ends in about 15 minutes, but on Wednesdays from 3 to 6 p.m., rain or shine, it happens. A few weeks ago it was pouring down rain and they were still out there, so
That's right.
we know that to be true.
That's right, rain or shine. The good thing is, like you said, they're always there, and then maybe with Aaron's forecast that he's providing us, we'll have some more good news. Again, that's going to be every single Wednesday. Local vendors there, local products, and of course, just getting in downtown. So a really great opportunity.